This is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I will show how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called TurboVPN. That is the tool that allows you to connect your phone or device to VPN hassle-free with these and a few simple taps. So let's install it real quick. Then launch the app once it is ready. Tap at the green continue button. Onwards, skip this ad. And then in order to connect your phone to VPN, just tap at the caret icon, confirm the connection request. And as you can see, the VPN was successfully connected to. While at it, you can change the server, country, or even the city that you are currently connected to, like that. And if you would like to turn the VPN off, you gotta simply tap at the cross icon over there, choose the disconnect option, or tap at the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.